Cheap digital stylus fix. Drawing on a screen can be hard without a stylus. These kind of styluses are an inexpensive option, but the rubber tips can come off, which is annoying. There you are drawing happily. Here's how I fixed the problem with what I had laying around. Step 1, take the rubber tip off. Step 2, use a screw to poke a hole in the side of the metal tube. These styluses are made of very thin metal, so you don't really need power tools to make a hole. The hole should be close to the end, but not too close. I made my hole about 2 millimeters or 1/16 of an inch from the end. Don't push too hard. If you use steady pressure and turn the screw, it should make a hole pretty easily. Step 3, use the side of the screw to file down the rough part inside. Step 4, make a hole on the other side of the tube, straight across from the first hole. Again, you don't want to push too hard or you may bend the tube. Just use a steady pressure and turn the screw like a drill. Don't forget to file down the rough place inside the tube. Step 5, put the rubber cap back in. Step 6, stick a piece of wire or paper clip in one hole. Poke the wire all the way through the rubber cap and out the hole on the other side. This step may take you a few tries, don't give up. Step 7, bend the wire down against the tube on both sides. You may want to use some pliers to help bend and cut the wire. Step 8, wrap tape around the wire. Now you can draw as hard as you want and the rubber tip won't fall out. Try it out.